Experience building patience and patience. Patience is a virtue that is often undervalued in today's fast-paced world. However, building patience is essential for personal and professional growth. Patience allows us to remain calm and focused in the face of challenges, and to persevere through difficult situations. Here are some tips for building patience and becoming a more patient person. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment and accepting things as they are. This can help build patience by reducing feelings of frustration and impatience. Set realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations can help build patience by reducing the pressure to achieve immediate results. It's important to recognize that some goals may take longer to achieve than others, and to be patient in working towards them. Learn to delay gratification. Delaying gratification involves putting off immediate rewards for long-term benefits. This can help build patience by teaching us to be patient and work towards long-term goals. Practice empathy. Practicing empathy involves putting ourselves in someone else's shoes and understanding their perspective. This can help build patience by reducing feelings of anger and frustration towards others. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude involves recognizing and appreciating the good things in our lives. This can help build patience by fostering a more positive mindset and reducing feelings of frustration and impatience. Take breaks. Taking breaks can help build patience by allowing us to recharge and refocus. It's important to take breaks when we feel overwhelmed or frustrated, and to use that time to engage in activities that help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Develop problem-solving skills. Developing problem-solving skills can help build patience by allowing us to approach challenges with a more level-headed and patient mindset. This involves breaking down problems into smaller, manageable steps and developing a plan to address each step. Practice self-care. Practicing self-care, such as exercise, meditation, and getting enough sleep, can help build patience by promoting overall well-being and reducing stress levels. Embrace imperfection. Embracing imperfection involves accepting that we are not perfect and that mistakes will happen. This can help build patience by reducing feelings of frustration and disappointment when things don't go as planned. Seek support. Seeking support from friends, family, or a mental health professional can help build patience by providing a listening ear and offering advice or perspective. It's important to know that it's okay to ask for help and that seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. In conclusion, building patience is essential for personal and professional growth. By practicing mindfulness, setting realistic expectations, learning to delay gratification, practicing empathy, practicing gratitude, taking breaks, developing problem-solving skills. Practicing self-care, embracing imperfection and seeking support, individuals can become more patient and better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks. It's important to remember that building patience takes time and effort, but with practice and perseverance, it's possible to become a more patient and resilient person. Patience and self-control are invaluable virtues that make life less stressful and relationships more meaningful. While these qualities don't come naturally to many people, they can be built with awareness, practice, and discipline. Based on my own experiences developing patience and self-control, here are some key lessons I've learned. Understand the benefits. Clarify for yourself why patience and self-control are important. Think about how they contribute to your happiness, health, and success. Keep this why in mind for motivation. Start small. Set achievable, incremental goals at first to build momentum. Focus on one area, like patience with others or delayed gratification. Break large goals into small steps. Use deep breathing. When you feel impatience arising, take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Breathing slows your heart rate, calms your emotions, and allows you to think clearly before reacting. Practice mindfulness. Train yourself to be present in the moment without judgment. Notice uncomfortable feelings without acting on them immediately. This space of awareness